Is your 2006 to 2011 Chevy HHR key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money compared to dealership fees. Key fobs typically need a battery replacement every 3 to 5 years. The Chevy HHR key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This small, round battery provides the power needed for the fob's wireless transmitter. These batteries feature a long shelf life of up to 10 years and low self-discharge, making them ideal for infrequent use. The CR2032 measures 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick, with positive side up. CR2032 batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. You can find them in stores like Walmart, Target, or pharmacies. Opt for reputable brands such as Duracell, Energizer, or Panasonic to ensure longer life and reliable performance. These brands offer consistent quality and proper lithium chemistry. Avoid rechargeable alternatives, as they may not provide the stable 3-volt output required, potentially causing malfunctions in your key fob. For replacing your Chevy HHR key fob battery, you'll only need a few simple tools. A small flathead screwdriver or even a coin can be used to carefully pry open the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. You'll also want a soft cloth to protect the fob from scratches while working on it. Finally, ground yourself using an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static electricity discharge, which could fry the fob's electronics. First, locate the small seam on the key fob casing. This is usually a thin line or notches where the two halves meet. Next, carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or a coin into the seam. Ensure it's firmly positioned to begin prying. Now gently pry the two halves apart. Work slowly and patiently to avoid cracking the plastic casing. With the key fob opened, you'll see the CR2032 battery positioned inside. Take note of its orientation. The positive side with the plus marking should be facing up. The battery's polarity is important for proper function. Always ensure the positive terminal is facing upward when viewing the fob. Using your finger or a small screwdriver, gently pry out the old battery. Be careful not to damage the contacts or circuitry. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, pressing it firmly into place until it sits securely in the holder. To reassemble the key fob, carefully snap the two halves of the casing back together. Make sure they align properly and click securely into place. Ensure the key fob is securely closed by checking for a tight fit with no visible gaps. Gently press around the edges to confirm it's properly assembled. Finally, test the key fob's functionality by pressing each button: lock, unlock, panic, and trunk release. Stand within 5 to 10 feet of your HHR to verify the signals are received. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by double-checking the battery orientation. The positive side should face up in the compartment. Next, ensure the battery contacts inside the fob are clean. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe away any dirt or corrosion that could prevent proper connection. If the key fob still doesn't work after these checks, it may need reprogramming. Contact a professional locksmith or use an OBD2 programming tool to sync the remote with your vehicle. To maximize your Chevy HHR key fob battery life, store it away from electronic devices that can cause interference and drain power faster. Opt for eco-friendly CR2032 batteries, such as those certified by sustainability programs, to reduce environmental impact while maintaining reliable performance. As automotive technology evolves, newer vehicles are shifting toward digital keys that work through smartphone apps, eliminating the need for physical batteries. However, for HHR owners, traditional battery replacement will continue to be essential, as these older models rely on conventional key fob systems. For a cost-effective option, consider universal fob reprogrammers that allow you to sync your remote at home, avoiding expensive dealership fees. Following these tips ensures your key fob remains functional and cost-efficient for years to come.